So capacitors. First I will take spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor. Spherical capacitor. Just before I explain what, let us consider it is a spherical shape. Yes, it is my spherical capacitor. Shape is spherical. It is a metal plate, we can assume. Yes. In this spherical capacitor is charged, which is charged. Yes. Yes, it is a center. This distance we can take it as a R. Okay? Right. So as per this, consider a spherical, you can write, consider a spherical capacitor or metal plate of radius R. Okay? Right. So here, what we have to find out? Spherical capacitor, capacitance. What we are going to find out? Capacitance. Capacitance of a spherical capacitor. Okay. So now, for this, first what I have to do? Capacitance means what? Capacitance formula? Just before I said C is equals to Q by V. Q is fixed na? What is the charge? Q. Some charge is given to the capacitor, to the plate. So what I have to find out? Potential. So what is the potential due to point charge? Basic formula. V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Correct? Yes. So this is the formula. Now if I want to find out the capacitance of this spherical capacitor, what I have to do? What I have to do, ma? I have to find out, I have to substitute this value. Let it be take equation 1, it is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, C is equals to Q by V. Q by V. The Q by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. On simplification, what will come? It is 4 pi epsilon naught R. So this is the expression for capacitance of a spherical capacitor. What is the expression for the capacitance of a spherical capacitor is 4 pi epsilon naught R. 4 pi epsilon naught R. Okay. So I will try to find out this value. C is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught value. How much? In electrostatics, as per Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is equals to 9 into 10 power 9. Okay. So then 4 pi epsilon naught means what? 1 by 9 into 10. Okay. Right. So you can substitute that. Okay. Later I will substitute. First see here, what is the C and R relation, ma? It is very important. One time, one more question they asked in board exam. C proportional to R. Capacitance is depends upon what? R value. Okay. Why? Because 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant. What the question they made? The volume of a spherical capacitor is increased by 2 times. Then what is the change in its capacitance? Volume changed. Area changed. Is there any change in capacitance of a capacitor? No. Why? Because C proportional to only R, not R square or R cube. That is the point we need to understand. C proportional to only R, not R square or R cube. So to make us confused, the question they framed, the area and volume also changed. Then what will change means, you can think that area means 3 times, area means 2 times, volume means 3 times. So the capacitance also may increase 3 times or 2 times. No. Capacitance is only proportional to R. Okay na? So it is depends upon only R value, not R square and R cube. Okay? Right. Which is the information about capacitance of a spherical capacitor. Okay, ma? Now we came to very important point is about earth. About earth. Okay. So what is the potential of a earth? Already I explained. What is the potential of the earth, ma? Potential of a earth is how much? Potential of earth is V is equals to 0. Earth is a huge conductor which can able to give the charge, which can able to absorb the charge. We know. Okay, unlimited charge is accumulated on the surface of Earth. We can, right? So what is its potential is zero. Potential zero means what is the capacity of Earth? Capacity of Earth. Capacity of Earth is what? Capacity C is equals to Q by V. So Q by V means what? Q by 0. Something by 0 is how much ma? Infinity. So what is the capacity of the Earth? Infinity. Understand? This is the general sense. It is only general sense, general idea. It is general. It is a general idea. Now, which is very important, if Earth consider as spherical body of R is equals to 6,400 kilometers, which is very important point. Before what I have taken, potential of the Earth is V is 0, capacity of the Earth is C Q by V, so infinity. It is a general basic idea. Now I am going to explain what if Earth consider as a spherical body of radius 6,400 kilometers. What is the radius of the Earth? 6,400. Now you can consider this uniform radius of 6,400. Can I take like that? Yes. General sense it is okay. But when you come to the particular condition, now we are comparing Earth as a what? Spherical body. The Earth is a spherical body. So spherical body means what? We must have the R value. It probably constant value. So that now substitute what is the capacitance of a spherical body? C is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R. That is only, just here only I have discussed. C is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught R. Okay. So C is equals to what? Capacity of a Earth. C is equals to what is 4 pi epsilon naught value? 4 pi epsilon naught is equals to 1 by 9 into 10 power 9. Correct? Yes. So that can I take R by 9 into 10 power 9? That only na? 4 pi epsilon naught value 1 by 9 into 10 power 9. So R by, what is R value? 6,400 into 10 cube by 9 into 10 power 9. On simplification it will come 711 into 10 power minus 6 farads. So that is equals to 711 microfarad. See that? On simplification, how much I am getting? 711 into 10 power minus 6 farads. Why? Because farad is the SI unit. So that micro means what? This is the symbol. So 711 microfarads. See? General concept, Earth capacity infinity, Earth potential 0. When Earth is considered as a spherical body, what the capacity we are getting? 711 microfarads. See, before I explained one point. What the point I explained? Farad is a very large unit. We cannot use practically. What we have to use then? Microfarads, so nanofarads. Just a minute, see, concentrate on this particular application. Earth radius is how much ma? 6,400 kilometers. So, if you make a capacitor plate of radius 6,400 kilometers, how much capacitance it has? Less than how much? 1. 711 microfarads. Less than 1 or not? So it has very less value, less than 1. That means that much radius of spherical plate capacitor only having less than 1 farad capacitance. Then what about 1 farad capacitance? Can you assume that much capacitor? Is it practically possible? No. Best example Earth only. earth assume as a capacitor, its capacitance is less than 1. Then what about normal bodies? Very less. That's what practically we are measuring the capacitance with microfarads or nanofarads. Okay, so this is the idea about earth. So don't get confused, especially about the earth. Generally, if they ask potential 0, capacitance infinity. When we consider earth as a spherical body of radius, its value is 711 microfarads. So what the topics we have covered today? Capacitor, capacity or capacitance, and spherical plate capacitor or spherical body, capacitance of a spherical body. Tomorrow we will discuss about some different types of